a look at the van by the roadside. So that's the broken belt. According to him, the water pump is broken as well. So they are calling the tow truck now to get the van to their workshop. Yeah, hopefully they have all the parts needed for a fix. It's 9 AM now and the van is finally at the workshop. Okay, hopefully it can be fixed today lah. In the meanwhile, just having my breakfast.มาดูนี่มันมีสายพานเดี๋ยวหาวิธีงานSo that was a very good lunch with the workshop owner and his family. Yeah, I didn't know that the song tam sauce can be used for mak noodles. Tasted really good. Okay, so here's the status. The van is waiting for the water pump part to be sent from Bangkok to here. So there'll be one more day wait. And in the meantime, just gonna explore around town. So quite a number of advice have come in on what else I should check since the van is in the workshop. So I've asked the technician to also help check the alternator, the axial oil level, and then change out all the hydraulic fluid and also check the battery. Probably have to get the battery swap as well. Okay, this is this night market at Kanchanaburi is really quite insane. I'm barely at only the start of it and I managed to find food for the most difficult kind of diet, vegetarian diet. You see, there's vegetable stock and spring roll.
Action! Action!
Thank you. So much feelings. Outdoor leg massage. So the owner was explaining to me that they kept a lot of dogs because there's a lot of teeth in this area. So just gonna quickly bathe, call it a night and lock myself in the van. Yeah, he also is quite concerned that I leave the van door open, so yeah, I told him just gonna lock the door. Oh look, the doggy! Oh, the security guard. โอเค
ไปครับไปอีอ้วนในตัวนี้อีอ้วนตัวนี้อีคิตตี้มานี่ลูกมานี่นะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
มาเลยอีอ้วนยังไม่หยุด
มันเป็นยังไงเดี๋ยวนะจางอีก
นี่แล้ว
เดี๋ยวโดน